So this is the next question given in CAT 2003. The question is, what is the remainder left when 4 to the power 96 is divided by 6? So how it would be solved? So let's have some explanation before we solve this question. Let's have another similar example to solve such type of problem. Firstly, understand the Euclid's division algorithm. The algorithm says any positive integer a divided by a positive integer b always leaves a remainder r that is smaller than its divisor b. For example, if I divide 10 by 3, so 3 3 is 9, so the remainder is 1. So in all cases, this remainder will always be less than this divisor. If it is 10, then the remainder can range from 0 to 9, but it would never be equal to the divisor, in my example 10, or greater than 10. So let's understand again. For example, the dividend is 12 and we are going to divide it by 5. So divisor is 5, dividend is 12 and divisor is 5. So if you divide 12 by 5, so 5 2 is 10. So the remainder is 2, which is less than 5. So this is what the Euclid's division algorithm says, that if you divide any positive integer, means any positive number, by a positive number, then the remainder will always be less than the divisor. So this is what we have understand with clarity. So in the example given in CAT 2003, if I say I want to divide by 6 any dividend, then the remainder will always be less than 6, means it can range from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not 6. This is why this is a divisor less than 6, but it could be equal to and greater than, but less than the divisor. So this is what we have understand. Secondly, see the sample example. 2 raised to the power 2 gives 4, and if you divide 4 by 3, for example, it gives 1. 2 raised to the power 3 gives 8, and if you divide 8 by 3, we get 2. So you see here that when the power is an even number, then the remainder is 1. When the power is an odd number, it is given 2. So in all cases, you see, when the power is an even number, the remainder is 1. When the power is an odd number, it is given 2 as a remainder. So here you see 2 raised to the power 6, it is an even number, that's why the remainder is 1. So in such cases, what we have to do, we have to understand whether the answer is changing as per the odd even number or not. If it is not changing, then it's okay. Otherwise, for example, if it is given here in the example 4 raised to the power 96, so this is an even number. So we have to check whether for example, we may check that 4 raised to the power 2, then we have to check what is the remainder. 4 raised to the power 3, then what is the remainder? If it is not changing, then it's okay. Otherwise, there is only one case that we have to notice. So here again we check 4 raised to the power 2, it gives 16. So what is the remainder? 4. 4 raised to the power 3 gives 64. Again the remainder is 4. So this means no matter what is the power, but in all cases the remainder is 4. This means even if we increase the number of power to 2000, 4000, 5060, any number we can write here, the remainder will always be 4. But with one caveat in mind, that the odd and even number in the power we have to check. In other problems, when you face, you only check this thing. If this is the case, it's okay, you check for 2, 3, 4, then you choose the remainder, it is 4. Because if it is like this, the remainder will never change no matter what the power is. So the answer is 4 here, which is also less than 6 as I have shown, because 6 is the divisor and 4 is the remainder. So answer is 4 to this question.